Couldn't guarantee.
National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 3 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Schriever Space Force Base, or 12 miles east of Colorado Springs, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Colorado Springs, Fountain, Truckton, Yoder, Ellicott, Schriever Space Force Base, Security Widefield, and Rush. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
$500,000